Getting started with Ulysses. When you open Ulysses for the first time, it will look like this. On the left, in the library, you can access your writing projects. Next to it is the sheet list, where your texts reside. Finally, the editor is where you write. Let's assume you want to write a novel. First, create a group for your new project. Give it a name and choose a custom icon. With the help of nested groups, you can keep track of the different parts of your novel. Add a new sheet and start writing. Groups in Ulysses can contain as many sheets as you want. For example, one for each scene of your novel. That way, it's a lot easier to navigate through your text as if it were one monolithic document. You can also easily change the text's order with drag and drop. In Ulysses, you'll work with markdown. For example, you mark a title with a hashtag or emphasize text with underscores. Later, when you're ready to share your results with the world, Ulysses will translate the markdown into actual formatting. Ulysses aims to make writing as distraction-free as possible. Toggle the sidebars to see nothing but your text. Enter full screen for a truly immersive writing experience. If you get better ideas at night, switch to dark mode. Let's go back and explore a few more features. Want to know how much you've written? Enter the dashboard to see the number of characters, the word count, and even the reading time. These metrics refer to the text that's currently open. To check the numbers for your entire project, right-click on the group in the library and select Statistics. Writing a novel, you will probably have research material, and while you want to keep it close at hand, it's not part of the actual text. In Ulysses, you can right-click a sheet to mark it as material. This will exclude it from the group statistics and from the final export. At some point, you might want to share your writing with an editor. To output your novel as a Word document, select the Sheets and open Preview. Here, you can change the file format. To change the look of your text, you can apply another export style. Choose Attach to Mail, add your email address and subject, and off you go. But that's not all. With Ulysses, you get a number of other useful features, such as a built-in grammar tool that helps you avoid mistakes and set the right tone, a writing goals feature to develop a daily writing habit, and much more. And of course, Ulysses is not only great for books, but also for shorter forms like essays or blog posts. Best of all, you get it on all your devices with Ulysses for Mac, iPad, and iPhone. Now have fun writing with Ulysses.